Lights on. We're set now, ready for Heat 2 of the Anniversary Cup. Like a Gem, our favourite from the red. They're set, ready. The boxes fly open. Like a Gem away well at the start. Also coming out quickly was Sister Arnie Cuz, but Like a Gem around the first turn. He's clear now. He's clear by 2. Sister Arnie Cuz tries to run him down, but he's getting further in front down the back straight. Like a Gem in a third. Further back is Peking Duck. Then we've got trying to run on from back in the ruckus would be Camo's Pretty, and last is Dianco Lazarus, but in a class of his own up towards the top straight. It's Like a Gem leading the way. Sister Arnie Cuz is coming at it, but Like a Gem takes it out, and that gets Alan Williams back on top. Like a Gem takes it out from Sister Arnie Cuz, flashing home when it was all over there. Further back would have been Peking Duck, also there Camo's Pretty, and towards the tail was Dianco Lazarus, but Like a Gem takes it out, and he's been too good. Like a Gem in a time of 30 and 88 on a very wet and rain-affected track. He's got the chocolates. So Alan Williams will be certainly cheering him home. And numbers 1, 6 and 7 has run